Guys, welcome back to the channel. It feels as if we're slowly getting there. What do I mean? Well, we had CPI data come in today. We're going to have Jerome Powell taking the stage tomorrow. I'm going to talk about in this video what the expectations are now that we have the CPI readings, and we have a little bit of insight in terms of what's going to happen with Jay Powell here tomorrow based on our CPI readings, based on market sentiment, based on what the experts are saying related to the potential rate hike tomorrow, or maybe we get a pause in the action. We're going to talk about all of that in this video. And then toward the end of the video, we're going to take this more macro and talk about what the rest of 2023 looks like. Because as bad as this first half has been and 2022 was, it seems like now there's light at the end of the tunnel. It seems as if we're getting closer from a global economic standpoint to open up the doors to a new bull run, to open up the new opportunities for investors, right? Yes, we still have the crypto regulation stuff going on. We're going to put that to the side for now, right? Because I'm going to make a bunch of other videos here on the channel about Hinman and XRP and then about Binance versus SEC. A lot of stuff happening this week, but let's focus in on the Feds right now in this video. So we've got the CPI readings coming in this morning, and they came in a little bit better than expected at 4%. We expected 4.1%. We got 4%. Inflation is down to 4%. This is the lowest it's been since March 2021 when pandemic started, right? When we actually heard about it, when we went into lockdown and all of that sort of things, all those sort of things. Since then, this is the best it's been. That's a great starting point, number one, okay? It's slow and steady, but the inflation numbers are coming down, at least here in the United States. That is a good thing for all of us. Whether you're in crypto, in stocks, in real estate, you want the rates to come down, right? Inflation rates to come down. Now, what about tomorrow? What do we get from Jerome Powell tomorrow? Well, that's going to be very interesting to watch because Jay Powell, there was a lot of people who kind of flip-flopped and said, well, looks like Jay Powell could now maybe raise it again, 25 basis points, right? What's going to happen? Does he have enough to give it a pause here? Well, here's what we've got now. It's 93%, a 93% chance based on the experts, based on what people are saying out there in the market, 93% chance, and this takes in market sentiment and the experts, 93% chance we do not get anything tomorrow. We get a pause in the action. That could send crypto booming here, I think, later this week, especially if we get some good news related to the Hinman documents, related to Binance versus SEC, because those sort of things are still looming out there. And again, we're going to talk about those in more detail. But those are the two things I wanted to hit on. CPI inflation slowly coming down. We're making progress there. And now the market putting in a 93% chance that we do not get an interest rate move tomorrow. We'll see what happens. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Drink the rest of my coffee. And I'll be back with more crypto content today. Love you guys. Peace.